Happy Monday, everybody. Today, the morning is going to be spent studying. It is now noon. I'm wearing yesterday's shirt. Did you see yesterday's vlog? That was awesome. I'm shutting the office down. I'm going out to enjoy myself and play with my new toy. Oh, break the light. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty windy. I want to fly the drone. I want to play with the drone. I don't know if it's too windy for the drone. Okay, I said the drone too many times. I'm just going for a run now. Get the endorphins going. Endorphins. And I'll see you at the end. We're going to go this way again. Oh, yeah. Okay, so just finished the run. I don't know what happened there. I definitely went more than 0.02 kilometers. And the pace is phenomenal, but I don't think it was that good. So I don't know what happened with my Fitbit. It's still really windy out. I am just gonna head to the store to pick up something for my toy. Yeah, this is the spot. They're gonna have exactly what I need this time. That worked out great. Now I'm going to try an experiment. We're going to the beach. And it's really windy out here. I don't know if the drone is gonna fly, but we're gonna try. That was so much fun. That was really windy, and I was surprised how well it worked. It worked pretty good. This road needs some work, though. So much for going out to get a cool drone shot of the sunset. It's kind of rainy. I had to put my jacket on, it was cold. And my pajamas. I'm chilly. Although it's still 20 degrees inside. Brr, it's damp. We're having like, what is that?
Like Salisbury steak.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say like lasagna. And like meat and vegetables.
No.
Don't do that. What's on the agenda for this evening?
It's raining.
I know, so not much probably.
No, I might work on my presents for my mom.
Oh, so that's it for me. I do this every day, so I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao.
Click like and subscribe. Ding ding.